This is definitely illegal to do, but I'm gonna show it to you anyway. Experts gonna hate me for doing this, but hey, check this out. Go to fakedetail.com. Here you can create any kind of fake testimonial or proof that you want. You can add email, personal details, social media, text messages, you name it. For the sake of this part, what we're going to do is that we're going to get some fake testimonials on text message. So we're going to go on Android device and we're going to put a message. My friend George is really happy with my service, and I definitely will answer back thanking him. You probably have seen this kind of testimonials in many websites, right? Well, this is how they do it. Voila. And we press the button and you are good to go. And boom, guys, this is magic. No more need for testimonials. You got your screenshot. You good to go. Follow.